Attention, stand please, attention, come there was Neerarum Kadalul Niramalakai Periyolugum Sreerarum Vadanamena Tigal Bharata Kandamidul Ekkanamum Adil Siranda Ravinana Tirunadum Join your hands, close your eyes. T Saraswati Stuti. Saraswati Namasubhyam Varade Kamarudini Vidyarambham Karishami Suddhe Bhavatu Me Sada. Now stand at ease. Good morning to all. Today's do you know the chance goes to 7th standard. Where is refreshers located? Anybody know the answer? Come forward. I once again repeat the question. Where is refreshers located? And the correct answer is Indonesia. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today's special National Pollution Day. Every year National Pollution Control Day is celebrated on December 2. Congratulating awareness of pollution risks and effects on both environment and human